Everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search gallery app from here. Click on gallery app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache gallery app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, check files. After click on files app and click on internal storage and check hidden files. After check hidden files, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on gallery app, after click on gallery app, click on menu and click on recycle bin. After check recycle bin, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.